Hello EVGA, I have a problem with your 7.1 new audio card. Well, it is connected to SATA power. As you can see, it is being powered. It is connected with mini DisplayPort between the cards, and the problem is that I'm still getting driver installation failed and reboot. So, what can I do with this beautiful, very expensive card? Because I don't know. Again, we got the information about new audio driver failed to install correctly. Why did it fail to install correctly? Well, I don't know, because it is asking me stupid questions like this one. To complete the driver installation, you must disconnect and reconnect your device. What does it mean? I don't know. Because you don't have this in driver installation. Where is it? Reboot your PC. This is all it is said there. Okay. Well, now let's try to install this again. New audio. Installation from Windows Update doesn't work. Installations from Control Panel, Device Manager, actualize the drivers or drivers actualization doesn't work. Okay, it's now again for the 7th time it is rebooting the PC, and after this time I think the outcome will be the same, because nothing is changing despite if I turn it off in device manager. Nothing works with the so expensive card. For me, this is mind-blowing that you can again make your software like this, like for EVGA CLC 280 with 65 degrees that gets 100 PWM. What is going on with your software? It's asked me to install. Okay. Yes. I have to confirm uninstallation. Do I have to uninstall? Because it is said it's being installed. But okay. Uninstall. And now install. It's the same driver. The card for $300 US. In my country, it's even more expensive, like 350. Setup wizard. What does this mean? How can I disconnect it? What do you mean that I have to disconnect it? It's not in your manual. What do I have to disconnect? The DisplayPort, mini DisplayPort cable, SATA power? What do I have to disconnect to complete installation of the driver for audio card? I don't know. I'm building workstations all the time and I don't understand what is written there on my screen. What? Should I take out the SATA power right now? Because this is not normal to disconnect the device that is in PCI Express bracket. Don't know. I don't know. I'm building workstations. 15 sometimes in a month. And I don't know what your software is telling me. How to disconnect the device that is inserted into the PCI Express bracket. What does it mean? Well, I'm shouting because I'm feeling totally destroyed mentally by your incompetence. Again. Again. This is not the first time that your software is full of errors. What to do with this right now? Do you want to exit this wizard and connect the device later? The device is in the PC. It's in the PCI Express bracket. What do you mean? Connect the device later. I don't know. What do you mean by this? Not saying this in your new Audio Pro series. So, let's try like this. As you can see, it's unable to be run because it's on Microsoft driver. Yes. Let's go and turn it off. Yes. I don't know, maybe I should turn this off also because I didn't try it. NVIDIA is for NVIDIA, as I think. Yes? Okay. No. What do you mean disconnect the device? It is turned off. What does this mean? It is turned off. It's no longer being on the system. And if I say yes, that's what I get. Thank you. Didn't install correctly. Please reboot and try again later. Wow! 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 Fun! Fun! Like hell. Well, EVGA, get your thoughts together or this card will be destroyed in every meaning on the internet. On every Reddit and everywhere. I will say do not buy it because this comes with very bad software. Very bad software. I don't understand. $350 for the card that cannot be installed in the system. Any more questions about how good your card is? I hate this level of incompetence. I just hate it. I hate that kind of actions. Like you are buying expensive stuff and you are getting this. A very small. What is it? Where is this thing about turn me on, turn me off? Please try again later. Extra! Fun, EVGA. Do something about it.